Welcome back, superstars! Here's a fun trick to help you learn the 8 times table using a simple grid. First, let's practice counting backwards by 2s. Starting from 10 and going down to 0. Ready? Here we go. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Let's do it one more time. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Awesome job! Are you wondering why we practiced counting this way? It's going to make the 8 times table trick much easier. All right, let's get started. Draw a grid with 2 rows and 5 columns. This will be our 8 times table helper. Now, we're ready to fill in the grid, and our counting by 2s practice will come in handy. Let's start by filling in the ones' digits. In the top row of the grid, start at the first box and write the numbers 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0 going across. Did you notice? This pattern is the same as our backward counting by 2s that we practiced. Next, do the same thing in the second row. Write 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0 again. Now, let's add the tens digits. In the top row, write 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 in front of each of the ones' digits. In the bottom row, write 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 in front of each of the ones' digits. Our grid is ready. Now you have the entire 8 times table right in front of you. Here's how it works. Start from the top left box and go across. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 equals 80. And just like that, you've got the entire 8 times table right in front of you. Let's put it to the test with a few examples. What's 8 times 6? It's 48. What's 8 times 3? It's 24. What's 8 times 8? It's 64. What's 8 times 5? It's 40. What's 8 times 9? It's 72. Great job! Here's a quick recap for the ones' digits. Going from left to right, write 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0 in both rows of the grid. For the tens digits, in the first row, write 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 in front of each of the ones' digits. In the second row, write 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 in front of each of the ones' digits. Here's another way of using this grid trick. This time, we will use the grid with 5 rows and 2 columns. For the ones' digits, going from top to bottom, write 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0 in both columns of the grid. For the tens digits, in the first column, write 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 in front of each of the ones' digits. In the second column, write 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 in front of each of the ones' digits. Did you notice that the 4 in the tens digits is repeated? If you did, great job. And that's it. Very simple, isn't it? Now that you understand these tricks, here's a bonus trick. Use the one that you find the easiest, okay? First, write the 8 times table in the traditional way, like this. Now, let's fill the answer part. First, write numbers 0 to 4, going from top to bottom like this. Repeat the 4 and continue writing the numbers till you reach 8. This takes care of the tens digits. For the ones' digits, going from the bottom to top, simply write 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now repeat the numbers again, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The 8 times table is now complete. So, which trick did you like better? Keep practicing and you'll master the 8 times table in no time. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun math tricks. Thanks for watching.